Good afternoon, good day. Again, this is Billy, and just want to show the progress of the CMS application um, with regards to the week 9 assignment. And as you can see, uh, the appearance of the uh, the components are the same compared to the previous week, except for the we are now using a um, a search feature to filter out the list of the contacts. We have used pipes as it was discussed in this week's lesson, and let's try if this works. So let's try to type in the name, say Barney. Just typing in the letters filters out the list already. And for this filtering, we are using the key up event and a local reference to the input field. And if we complete this, yep, so what we only see is Lee Barney. Let's also try typing in team, and only the team uh, uh, teams gets filtered out. And yep, so mean to say this filtering feature is completely working, but just to make sure, let's try clicking on the search button. Let's try Armstrong. Yeah. Yep. So yep, it fully works. And this week we have also made a significant change in the project. We're in HTTP was introduced, and um, we are asked to use a uh, Firebase. So here's my Firebase. Here's my database, and we're in. I've used the files that were available for this week, and to check if this fully works, let's go to the documents first, and try to, let's say, add first document. Let's try to add a new document. Let's say WDD430. Uh, but there's already a lot of documents that has full stack web development. So let's try naming it differently: full stack ultimate web development. And let's try using any URL. Let's try using the GitHub URL instead. Let's try to close that and hit save, and it gets added on on the list here. But we need to make sure that it gets added to the database. So let's go ahead and check the database and go to the documents, and let's check okay. So as you can see, there's a full stack ultimate web development, and the ID, and the name and the URL to make sure that's it's the one that I've added just now. So it's fully working, and make sure, let's also try to edit. Oh, I forgot to change this one. Mobile suit content development. Let's try to edit some other networking. Let's try to edit that uh, for open-minded people. just any random stuff. Yep, it's working for open-minded people. Save. Okay, so it gets edited on the list here. Let's check if it gets edited in the Firebase database as well. So it's on the 4. Okay, there you go. Yep, so networking for open-minded people. Yep, so it's fully working. As for the documents part, let's try the messages. Um, there is no delete feature yet here, so let's try to add any message. Subject, say general conference, and then message is welcome to general conference. Hit send. There you go. It gets added, and let's try checking the Firebase, see if it really gets added into the database. Messages, and let's check this one. Oh, there you go. It says welcome to general conference. Okay, so it works. And finally, let's check the contacts list, and let's try to edit the contact first. And it's called D Barney, and let's try to drag some contacts. Ark and Jackson, Craig Lindstrom, and hit save. So let's check if D Barney gets updated. Let's oops, not able to see the ID, so it'll be a wild guess to find out where the D Barney is. Z Armstrong, Ark and Jackson. Okay, I hope can find it in no time. Oh, I think I missed it. There you go, D Barney. Okay. Hmm. Let's try to update the details. Not sure why the group contacts. Let's try editing his phone number. 3767. Let's try 4 zeros. Let's refresh that. Okay, it gets updated. So there we go, it works. Okay, and so there you go. It gets updated, and so that's all for the video for this week's lesson. And thank you, and I have a good day.